Hi everyone, this is Melissa and I'm here to show you what's new with Marblism. So come with me and let's find out. So you may have noticed this little yellow thing that you have in the left sidebar. You click on it and it will show you the latest news about Marblism. You can now reply to any messages in your chats. You can rate this. Then you can go to the other one and see that now Stan has some exclusion filters. We will talk about that later in another video. So you can now post to multiple platforms with Sonny at once. You can also rate this. And those are the latest news about Marblism. So if you close this, you don't see it anymore. But if you click here, you can see them again. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Marblism official YouTube channel to know about how other successful users are getting amazing results each day.